If your Windows 11 PC is not booting properly after a system upgrade, there are several steps you can take to try and resolve the issue. Here's a step-by-step guide to troubleshoot and fix the problem. 1. Perform a hard reboot. 1. Press and hold the power button until the PC completely shuts down. 2. Wait for a few seconds and turn it back on. 3. This can sometimes resolve temporary boot issues caused by a glitch during the upgrade process. 2. Boot into safe mode. Safe mode loads Windows with only essential drivers and services, which can help diagnose and fix issues caused by third-party apps or drivers. 1. Option 1. Using the power menu. 1. Power off the PC by holding the power button for 10 seconds. 2. Turn the PC back on, and as soon as you see the Windows logo, press and hold the power button again to force another shutdown. 3. Repeat this process 2 or 3 times. 4. After the third time, Windows should boot into the recovery environment, Windows RE. 5. In the recovery environment, navigate to Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Startup Settings, and click Restart. 6. After the restart, select 4 or press F4 to boot into safe mode. 2. Option 2. Use a bootable USB drive. If your PC cannot boot into Windows RE automatically, you may need to use a bootable USB drive to access the recovery environment. 2. From there, you can try the same steps as above. 3. Check for Windows updates. If you can boot into safe mode, it may be a good idea to check for any further updates. 1. Go to Settings, Update and Security, Windows Update and check for updates. 2. Install any available updates to ensure that the system is up to date and compatible with the latest changes. 4. Run Startup Repair. Startup Repair can automatically fix certain issues preventing Windows from booting. 1. Boot into the recovery environment, follow steps from above. 2. In the Troubleshoot menu, go to Advanced Options. 3. Select Startup Repair and follow the on-screen instructions. 5. Perform a system restore. If the upgrade caused serious issues, and you have a restore point created before the upgrade, you can try rolling back your system. 1. In the Advanced Options menu, from Recovery Environment, select System Restore. 2. Follow the prompts to restore your PC to a previous working state.